Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, a space where finance meets coding. My name is Avetik and we together will be surfing through the world of finance with the help of powerful programming language Python. If you have some basic knowledge about Python and have used it, that's wonderful. If not, don't worry. We will go with baby steps, with very easy tasks at the beginning and very visible results as a return of our efforts. For why Python? Because it's the very easy to start with. It doesn't require a lot of dependencies and it's great with working with data. So if you have Python already pre-installed in your computers, that's great. If not, I'll place the link under this video how to get the official version of Python. Doesn't matter which version we'll be using, we just need it to be Python 3 and higher. So for working with Python, we also need an IDE to have code writing and running tasks to perform. So for that, I prefer to use PyCharm. PyCharm has two editions, Professional and Community. Professional has a lot of features, but it's paid version. So PyCharm Community Edition provide us all the basic tools that we need for the beginning of our journey, and it's enough for us to start with. So I'll place the link for PyCharm Community Edition downloading as well. Get those two applications installed at your computer and we will start our journey.